how to use your Google Play gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use your Google Play gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, maybe sometimes you're in a region where the Google Play payment method is not available, and in that case gift card comes into play because you might have purchased a gift card, you have the code, and now you don't know how to use and redeem it. Well, to do this is very simple. Let's say you're trying to buy a paid application on Google Play, or maybe it's an in-app purchase, because many of the games support in-app purchases from Google Play. In that case also you can use your gift card. And first of all, to do this you have to add your Google Play card to your Google Play account. And to do this, first of all, open the Google Play Store on your device. And as you've done that, you want to make sure to tap your Google profile photo from the top right hand side of the screen, and as you tap on it, over here you'll find this option known as payments and subscriptions. Just make sure to tap on the payments and subscriptions tab. After you tap on payment and subscriptions, right at the bottom you'll find this option known as redeem code. You want to make sure to just tap the redeem code option. All you have to do is just make sure to enter your 16 to 20 digits your gift card code, and after you've done that, make sure that they're correct, because even if there is a singular mistake, you will not be able to redeem it. After you make sure that the code is correct, tap the redeem option. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it is going to be successfully redeemed to your account. Next time, whenever you're trying to purchase a paid application, you'll have the pop-up menu of a Google Play gift card balance, and then you'll be able to purchase any paid applications or in-app purchases from your Google Play gift card. This way you can use the Google Play gift card on your Android or your iOS. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.